So this is the makeup tutorial for today. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see everything that I use in this makeup tutorial. My foundation routine and my eyebrow routine will be linked in the description bar below. Hope you guys enjoy this one. It is very different. I have a little faded double wing thing going on there, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So enjoy the video. If you do, please give me some thumbs up, share the video, all that junk. I want to thank you guys so much for your support and to say hi to my new subscribers. Hello, you've been subscribed to me since last year. Oh, you just joined. Oh my god. Hey, hey boo, what's up? Okay, so yeah, that's it for this tutorial. No, for this intro. That's it for this intro, and enjoy the tutorial.
Humility. Humble yourself and be exalted. Exalt yourself and be abused. God bless me. Now I over material things. No land, no host, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of kings. Why come a talk about floss and swagging? Say him full of woman till them all am them. Say him full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash. Him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him logging. Him couldn't believe the picture him get attacking. It's a next man him see a hackers him. Never know she steal from the rich figure the poor robbing. Why me? Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a ball of me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of here. You a brag on a boast. Go to a woman and know about it the most. Weekend pan the north coast when they take most of them. They even have a Bible in a demo. And a year, high status them a post and a pose with big like them they in a the force. But that can't save you, not even close. Hunger thing matter the Holy Ghost. That's why me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a fall of me sins. No me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of kings. Because you have a scoop on your face. People say you run the place. And you have a gun on your waist. No feel you bigger than God's amazing grace. No hype, cause that you like the place. Remember say you just time you are waste. Never know say you be humble yourself. Cause he that exalt himself shall be a that's why me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a ball of me sins. No me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of kings. Why come a talk about floss and swagging? Say him full of woman till them all am them. Say him full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash. Him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him logging. Him couldn't believe the picture him get attacking. It's a next man him see a hackers him. Never know she steal from the rich figure the poor robbing. Why me? Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a ball of me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of. That's why me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a ball of me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of kings. God bless. Praising God. I am why the HA. We're praising God. Even the amazing God. Praising God. All of the ones of the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky where God is all I need. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them God is all I need. We don't need them and we gonna wait. Lord will put his way. I didn't pass and him the link and he don't check where we gonna live. Tell them God is all I need. We don't need them and we run away. God will put his way. I didn't pass and him the link and he don't check where. Lead like a fast car, speed like an NASCAR. Yes I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping one for them. They want see me up in that car. I'm with the bike pull over me stop in that car. It's like them want see me back in that car. And I squad every cent for me have. But in a life you know, say me top in that car. Them watching the news, we see that him got scar. And they no disappointed, just because me united. Them see that him got far, tell them the amazing God. In the sky we be raising God. Every day you know we praising God. We don't praise Satan, cause like say mother raising God. So we gonna live, till the Lord is all on it. We don't need them and we wanna win. Lord will protect we. At the end of us and in the link and in the check where we gonna live, till the Lord is all on it. We don't need them and we wanna win. God will protect me. At the end of us and in the link and in the check we. God are the solid rock and it's me I will stay on it. Anytime when you check you know me there on it. Right before me got me bed, before me lay on it. Me go down on my knees and you me pray.
So that is it for the tutorial for today. On my lips I just used the ItsYourFaceCosmetics Super Wear Gel Liner in Nior 01. For my eyes, as you saw, I used my ShadesByGal Palette, and it just says refill 5 eyeshadow palettes, and it just has it's like the gray one. So it's that one. And what else? I use the Wet n Wild H2 waterproof liquid liner. Use my Lorac, let me tell you, called ProFace. It's called ProFace, I believe. Yeah, use this, and I use the brown from it. For the lashes that I'm wearing, ooh, I think it's called Amazing Shine number 43s. That's what it came in. What else? I haven't done anything. I didn't put no blush on. I didn't put anything else on. Like, this is just the look in and of itself. Did a black lip because I just think like a black lip works. But this look is very, forgive me for saying, but it's very goth, you know. So I actually like the look, and I like the head wrap that I'm wearing with it. It's pretty cool. So yeah. So that's it. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, for sticking around, and thank you so much for sharing my videos. That really means a lot to me, you know, sharing what I do with other people, because I love what I do. I just do makeup for fun. Like, I'm just home not doing nothing, and I just film a tutorial. My life though, yeah. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
No, me not take the Lord praise and me Satan it. Why? Cause me no evil, me no Satan it. On the broad road, no, me not go straight on it. Check the Noir road and you see the AJ on it. Cause when they not give me one heap of taste and one heap of trial, he bless me and me get tape on it. Once upon a time, I was a shy guy on stage, but now we might tell me what we say on it. Cause you are the potter, so watch out, mold me life like say me have clay on it. Lord show me what it